Hey friends, welcome back to another Puppy Linux on the Mac Mini tutorial. So Puppy Linux let me install the browsers, which I really wanted, but let me show you what else you can install. So if you hit the Quick Pet, these are things that are tested and should be super simple to just add. So like I said earlier, I went to browsers and I added Opera and I added Chrome because that's what I wanted. Let's slip over here to Net and notice we can have Java, Flash, Skype, Dropbox, Pigeon, and then RAM-me. So this is for Instagram, and I like my Instagram account, so I'm going to test Instagram on Linux. Notice all I do is click that little button and it immediately slides out to the Linux repository and starts downloading it. I am using, of course, a LAN connection, so it's quite fast as it downloads, and you can actually watch this install in real time. And we'll test it out. You can see it's wrapping up in 5 seconds. And it asks, do I want to install it? Well, doggone it, if I clicked it, then yes, I do want to install it. It has been successfully installed, and we just need to look in the Internet category. We'll give it a second update, and let's see what Instagram on Puppy Linux looks like. There's our Internet folder, and there's RAM-me. And there's what the Instagram looks like. Let's log in quickly. I am HLModTech. Let's see if that sign-in works like it should. I am going to save my login info. And holy mackerel, we have got Instagram with the ability to play, of course. We can like videos. We can see what people liked that we put in. And everything is working just like you'd expect. So that, my friends, is how you use Quick Pets and add things like the awesome RAM-me Instagram on Linux. Those are my posts from yesterday. How cool is that? This one's actually sad. It was a flat tire. But hey friends, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please click it. If you want to add a comment down below, or you have something you saw that you're interested in, let me know. Use those comments down below. And last but not least, if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from HLModTech, click that notification bell. Have a great day, friends, and keep enjoying Puppy Linux.